everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Guys, first off, before we get started, I want to say thank you for everybody who sent in a subscriber's ride submissions. I didn't have enough for a full video. I held out as long as I could, trying to see if I can get enough for a full video before I put the subscriber's ride in the video. But unfortunately, I only had enough for about half a video. So I decided to, in the first half, to talk to everyone and create a discussion here about Ford's new COBRA Jet drag car that they went off and built. 1,400 horsepower, 1,100 foot-pound of torque, all electric drag car. They are projecting it to run low 8s. Now guys, this is something that I can get behind versus the Mustang Mach-E, or what they're calling a Mustang. This is something I can get behind. This is a true Mustang, and they have done it right. This car is going to be insane. Now, I still prefer an internal combustion engine. That's me. I'm old school. I love the roar of the engine. I love the rumble. I love the feel. I just love to hear it scream. I mean, you know, who doesn't? Guys, you just got to love that internal combustion V8 just scream. Gotta love it. However, you cannot ignore the fact that an electric motor will put down all of its torque from the beginning. So it's 1,100 foot-pound of torque coming off the line. That has got to be insane. I mean, I would love to drive it. I mean, who wouldn't? I mean, anybody that says they wouldn't want to drive that is lying if you love speed. Because anything that goes fast, I am behind. I love it. It just is what it is, guys. I know Chevrolet has built their version, the Copo, all-electric Camaro, and now Ford has done it. Now, how much of this will trickle down into future cars for us? I'm not sure, but it's exciting to see what can be done with an electric motor. Now, the next question is this going to be a production COBRA Jet, or is this just a prototype to show what they can do? I'm not sure, but I'm interested to see that also. I'm also interested to see the price tag on this car if they do offer for sale. How expensive is it to build an electric, low 8-second electric car versus a low 8-second internal combustion car? These are things that I'm interested in going into the future and looking at electric vehicles. I'm excited, guys. Like I said, I love internal combustion engines, but you can't take away the fact of technology and the progression and everything like that. I'm highly interested in it, and I kind of just wanted to talk about it, give you guys my thoughts on it, and create a conversation piece. So down in the comments, let me know what you think about it. I'm excited about it. I want to see what's going on with it. Are they done with the gas engine in the COBRA Jet? I don't know. These are all things that I'm interested to find out. And talking about drag racing, guys, I ordered Tuesday night, late Tuesday night, I ordered my Mickey Thompson ET Street R's for this car. If you remember, the other ET Street R's are pretty much done, so I had to order a new set of ET Street R's. I ordered them late Tuesday night from Lethal Performance, and I got them. My wife sent me a text today, and they were at the house before lunch. So guys, that is a crazy great turnaround, especially with everything that's going on. Just huge shout out to Lethal Performance for getting those out to me. If the drag strip would have been open tonight, I would have had them in time to get them on the car and be at the drag strip. So huge shout out to Lethal Performance. I do appreciate it. I love a company that you can order from and you get you know, fast shipping like that, and I really do appreciate it. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for this segment of the video. Stay tuned for the subscriber rides, and guys, like I said, if you want to submit a subscriber ride submission, all you have to do is send pictures and video of your vehicle. It does not have to be a Mustang, to speedaddict731@gmail.com. Guys, I do appreciate everyone that has been sending in subscriber ride submissions. It does help out with content and with everything going on. But the downside is the drag strips are starting to open back up. So it won't be long. I'll be back out the drag strip having a lot of fun, guys, and I cannot wait. But guys, I hope you enjoyed the rest of the video. If you did, Please hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we will see you next time.